everyone, so we're back making another video. This is my first time opening it, so I'm kind of scared. But this is an unboxing basically. But man, I just ordered my intake and my mouthpiece, and it's open. But man, they took actually really good care of it. Holy crap! Oh. So excited, so excited. So there's that. Okay, so scratched out on the mouth, or the, oh my gosh, I can't even talk. Son of a turbo mouthpiece. That's what I was trying to say. But so it hasn't come yet. I thought it was gonna come in the same package, but it didn't. So we got the faceplate. It's all powder coated white with the black HSP. Looks pretty sweet. I have not found a video yet where it actually shows you any of this stuff. Here's actually the block, you know, the plate that goes in there, so it blocks from the heat. And then here's the tube. There. Boom, boom. And then we got my SUV filter right here. So you can see that, that's part number. But yeah, let me show you on the okay, so here we are. We're gonna get rid of the dumb intake. Looks gross compared to that, and this will no longer be hitting my EGR tube. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of that, and then we'll get one of these soon. But let's get it going. So we're putting the actual base in. So you gotta take off these bolts to get it and hold it down. But these are 10mm bolts. All you gotta do is from there, just line it up with the holes, and you're good. And just start bolting back up. It didn't come with instructions, and I can see why. Because if you can't install this, then if you need instructions to install this, I don't know if you should have this. It's super easy, nothing, you know, too hard. So all you gotta do is put the pipe on, and then hook it up and start it up. And I already moved the mass airflow sensor right here. It's just a little Torx thing right there. But put it on. That's that, and then we'll put it all together. And all I gotta do is put this on, and we're good. Let's see. Hold on. I might get a code. I'm not sure. I've heard of this. So when you switch to aftermarket metal intake, you have to calibrate it. So EFI Live, obviously. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I might give it a couple of days, and then we'll see. And I'll leave it in the comments. I'll update you. So let's get this on and start it up. So immediately I could tell more throttle response, and the pedal felt firmer. But hold on, I'm gonna shut my truck off. Okay, so throttle response felt a lot better just pushing on the pedal, not even driving. But I'm gonna go do a driving test, so see how that goes. I'm pretty excited about it. So I found out that the mouthpiece will be here in a couple, I don't know, a week or something like that. So had to order that because of a mistake. You don't know who that's from, but yeah, so hopefully, you know, Leslie, you're probably watching this at work. Throw your name out, you know, maybe we can work on your Silverado or your truck or something. Tell me how's Nick doing? Hi, Nick. That's cool. You're probably smiling or laughing right now, but anyways, funny. He wanted a shout out. So he's probably gonna comment FIFA man with a dog on the bottom down there, probably. If he doesn't, he's mad. But anyways, let me go take a drive and I'll take another video. That smile, oh my god, like it's, you can just hear it sucking like a lot of air. The turbo, you can just hear, I don't know if you can hear it good on the camera though. Right there. My daughter loves it too. Oh my gosh. The laughter of a child. But holy crap. It is. It added more response to it, and that sucking sound of the air sounds amazing. You gotta just have one to like actually know what I'm talking about. It's insane. I had an SMB on my LOY and it did not make the sound at all. Like you could barely hear a turbo whistle, but this actually you can hear it sucking the air like that. Sorry for my weird sound effects, but that's what it sounds like. It's hard to explain, but wow, get you one. It's well worth it. Thanks Joe and Jake and Diesel Mafia and everything. But yeah, we're gonna drive now.